Hello and welcome back, dear students. Wish you all stay happy, healthy and safe at home and do your studies regularly and properly. I am Krishna Parak and today we are going to see a new chapter for Standard 4 students from your English grammar. The name of this chapter is chapter number 18, Adjectives and their types. So first of all we will understand what is the meaning of adjective, where it is used, how it is used, what are the types of adjectives and how can we use the adjective in the sentence, where it is placed in the sentence. So let us begin the chapter. Adjectives are describing words that tell us more about nouns. What is adjective? Adjective is a describing words. What does it describe? It describes about the noun. So the word which describes about the noun is called describing word or adjective. This is the use of adjective, that it describes about noun. Let us see some examples. He is a tall boy. Who is tall boy? So the boy is noun. How the boy is tall? That means tall is the description given for boy. That is called describing word or adjective. So tall is the adjective of boy. Next is Saina wore a yellow dress. Who wore a yellow dress? Saina. Then Saina is noun. And how was the dress? Yellow. So here we can see two nouns are given. Two nouns are given, Saina and dress. So you have to identify for which noun the adjective is used. Here, yellow. What is yellow? Dress is yellow. So dress is the noun. And how the dress is yellow, then yellow is the describing word for the dress. So here noun is dress and yellow is the describing word or adjective given for the dress. Next is the words in blue are adjectives, just like tall and yellow. These are the adjectives and that are used for boy and dress respectively. Now we often use adjectives before noun, but it is not compulsory that adjective will come before noun. It can be used after the noun. But when we use adjective after the noun, in between noun and adjective there will be helping verb. And if we use adjective just before the noun, then helping verb we will not use in between adjective and noun. Just the sentence format will be adjective and just after adjective there will be noun. If the adjective is after noun, then the sentence pattern will be noun, helping verb and then adjective. Let us see some examples of this. The sky is blue. The lemon is sour. What is blue? Sky. So sky is noun. And how the sky is? It is blue. So blue is the describing word of sky. Blue is the adjective of sky. Next sentence, the lemon is sour. What is sour? Lemon. Lemon is noun. How is the lemon? Sour. Then sour is the describing word for lemon. So sour is adjective for lemon. Now let me make it clear how can you identify the noun and adjective. When you ask the question what or who, the answer will be your noun. And when you ask the question how much, how many, the answer will be describing word or adjective. So in this example you can see when you ask what or who, the answer you will get, that is noun. What is blue? Sky. What is sour? Lemon. So sky and lemon both are noun. When you ask how is the sky? sword. So blue and sword both are describing words or adjective. And the use of adjective is just to describe more about noun. So we know that there is noun, there is a lemon, but how the lemon is? It is sword. So it is describing more about the lemon. That is why it is called describing word or adjective, which is used for noun, for describing the noun. Now let us see the types of adjectives. Adjective of quality. An adjective of quality tells us about the quality of noun. How the noun is. What is the quality of the noun? Let us see. In that quality, it can be size, shape, age, color, taste, or how something feels. So these are the different types of adjective of quality. Let us see the example of size. Big house, huge park, large playground, tiny and small park. So these are the words which describe the size of the noun. That is the adjective of quality. Next is shape. That can be square table, round ball, rectangular field, triangular cone. Next is age. An old man, a young lady, a little child. Next is color. A blue dress, brown eyes, green dress, red dress. So this can be the example of color, which describe more about noun. That means that describe the color of that noun. The color of noun, the size of noun, the shape of noun, age of noun. Next is taste. Now in the taste, it can be salty, sour, sweet, bitter. So these are the types of taste or the adjective of quality which describe the taste of noun. Next is how something feels. Soft, hard, tender or bitter, cruel. So this can be the adjective of quality. These are the types of adjective of quality which describe the size, shape, age, color and how does the noun feels. Next is adjective of quantity. In adjective of quality, we cannot count it or measure it in numbers. But when the adjective of quantity is given, that can be measured or counted. So here let us see the example of adjective of quantity. How will you get to know that here the adjective of quantity is used? When you ask how many, how much, the answer will be adjective of quantity. So let us see some examples. When you ask how much, that means the quantity can be measured in terms of kilo, liter, okay, meter. So here see the example, little milk, much water, enough rice. These are the quantities which we measure in kilo, liter, meter, okay. Now when you ask how many, that will be countable in numbers. For example, apples, 2 apples, that can be counted. Eggs, a dozen, that means 12 eggs. Children, many children, that means you can count the number of children. So when you ask how many, you will get the answer number, answer in number. And when you ask how much, the answer you will get in quantity. Okay. So little, much, enough, more. These are the example of adjective of quantity which you get when you ask how much. And 2, dozen, many, few, These are the examples of adjective of quantity which you will get to know when you ask how many. Next, some more examples are given. First child, third prize, last row. These are also the types of adjective of quantity because it tells the position of the noun. First child, third prize, last row. So it shows the ranking, order or position. Next is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives, that means mine, yours, ours, hers, theirs, its, our. A possessive adjective shows belonging or ownership, something which belongs to you or which is in your possession, which is in your ownership. It is immediately followed by a noun. After possessive noun, immediately there will be noun. Possessive noun is just used before the noun. The words such as my, our, your, his, her, its, their are possessive adjective which shows the possession or ownership or relation between the noun and adjective. Let us see the examples. My bag. Whose bag? Mine. So my is a possessive adjective. Next is your dog. What is your dog? Dog is noun. And whose dog is that? Your. So your is possessive adjective. Her doll. What is hers? That is doll. Doll is noun. Whose doll is that? Her. So her is possessive adjective. Next is interrogative adjective. Interrogative, that means when you ask some questions. Those question words are known as interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjective help us to ask a question about a noun. Question words such as what, which, how many, how much, when, are interrogative adjectives. Let us see the example. What time should we meet tomorrow? So here the noun is time and the interrogative adjective is what. Next one, which book is yours? Here the noun is book and the interrogative adjective is which. So which is asked for the book. Book is noun and the question which is asked for book, that is which. So which is interrogative adjective. Whose pencil is this? Whose, this question is asked for the pencil. Pencil is noun and for pencil the question which is asked whose, that is interrogative adjective. Next is demonstrative adjective which demonstrate or point out the noun. Let's see the example of demonstrative adjective. This, that, these, those. These four are the types of demonstrative adjective that point out which noun is referred to. Let us see the examples of demonstrative adjective. This story book. What? Story book. Which story book? This story book. So this is the demonstrative adjective and story book is noun. This story book is full of beautiful pictures. Next one, that boy won the 100-meter race. Who won? Boy. Boy is noun. Which boy? That boy. So that is the demonstrative adjective. Next is those packets are not mine. What are not mine? Packets. Which packets? Those packets. So that is demonstrative adjective for packets. Next is these sketches, these sketch pens are new. What is new? Sketch pen. Which sketch pen? These sketch pen. So these is the demonstrative adjective for sketch pens. Sketch pens are nouns. So in this way, when you ask who or what, you will get the answer as noun, and when you ask which, what, whose, the answer you will get, that will be your adjective. Or when you ask how many, how much, the answer we will get, that will be your adjective. So in this way you can identify adjective and noun in the sentence. Here we have completed the explanation of adjective and its types. Let us revise it again. How many types are there of adjectives? So first one is adjective of quality, second one is adjective of quantity, third one is possessive adjective, fourth is interrogative adjective, and fifth is demonstrative adjective. These 5 are the types of adjectives. With this, the explanation of this chapter completes. Now we will meet in the next video. In that we will see the exercise of this chapter. Till then, take care of yourself, be safe and keep on learning. Thanks for being with me. See you.